Very well. So my name is Rita Laranjinha. I'm a managing director in charge of relations with Africa in the European Union at the External Action Service, and I'm here today in Abuja because I was leading the delegation from the European Union who came to a meeting to prepare a ministerial dialogue that will take place on the 19th of October with Nigeria. So this ministerial dialogue will be chaired by the Vice President of the European Commission, His Excellency Mr. Josep Borrell. He will be accompanied by 3 other members of the European Commission, and he will be here holding talks with His Excellency the Minister of Foreign Affairs and other members of the Nigerian government to take stock of the relations between the European Union and Nigeria in different areas, and to prepare the way ahead and the way forward in this relationship. Today it was very clear, and yesterday from our contacts, that there is a lot of common interest in this relationship, that there is a lot of work, of good work that has been done in a very strong partnership, but there's still a lot that we can still do more. Nigeria matters for the European Union, Nigeria matters in the region, matters in the continent, matters in the world, and the EU wants to make sure that we will be a partner of choice for Nigeria. With His Excellency the Vice President, we were so honored to meet him today. We explained about our objectives, and he highlighted also the interest on the side of Nigeria to work closely with the European Union in different areas, in trade and investment, in energy and digitalization, also in peace and security matters. So we are very much looking forward to this high-level visit taking place in 2 weeks, and we are certain that we will be having excellent contacts, excellent meetings, and that we will strongly reinforce this partnership.
What was the reaction from...
Thank you very much.